Hello everyone, welcome to the 100-Day Spanish Challenge by Touri. I'm Mark, and this is day 19 of the challenge. If you haven't subscribed yet, you can find the link down below to join the challenge and follow along. Now I'm going to start by saying the word in Spanish at a normal pace, the masculine and feminine form, and then I'll break it down into syllables, followed by the English translation and a couple of example sentences. Let's get started. Number 181. Número 181. Gigante. 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 Giant or huge. The restaurant has a huge outside area. El restaurante tiene una terraza gigante. Number 182. Número 182. Gordo. Gorda. Gor-doh. Gordo. Fat or thick. That cat is so fat it can't jump on the couch. Ese gato está tan gordo que no alcanza saltar al sofá. Number 183. Número 183. Grabación. Grah-bah-SYOHN. Grabación. Recording. The live recording of this song is the best. La grabación en vivo de esta canción es la mejor. Number 184. Número 184. Gracias. Grah-see-ahs. Gracias. Thanks. My most sincere thanks go to my boss for his support. Mis gracias más sinceras a mi jefe por su apoyo. Number 185. Número 185. Grande. 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 Big or large. I come from a big family with many siblings and cousins. Vengo de una familia grande con muchos hermanos y primos. Number 186. Número 186. Idea. 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 Do you have any idea of how to get there? ¿Tienes idea de cómo llegar? Number 187. Número 187. Idioma. 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 Language. My grandmother speaks 3 languages: Spanish, English, and French. Mi abuela habla 3 idiomas: español, inglés y francés. Number 188. Número 188. Incluir. 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 To include. The box includes the instructions and all the parts. La caja incluye las instrucciones y todas las partes. Number 189. Número 189. Información. 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 Information. Look at a map to see the location of the information center. Mira a un mapa para ver la ubicación del centro de información. Number 190. Número 190. Informe. 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 Report. The report of the joint group will be public. El informe del grupo conjunto será público. The best way to learn this material is through repetition, memorization, and conversation. If you'd like to practice your newly learned vocabulary, Touri offers live, fun, and immersive one-on-one online language lessons with native instructors at nearly any time of the day. Check out Touri.co, or you can follow the link down below. Until next time, adios.